same packaging as last time. I got this drawstring bag here. So let's see what is. Oh, by the way, in the package I got these two things related to the information, like booklet and stuff. So yeah, and I also got this wig cap. So the only thing that's in the bag is the wig. And for today's wig, we got a gorgeous 5x5 lace closure wig. It's 180% in density. So as I said, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It's a HD lace, by the way, and it is 20 inches long. It's a beautiful body wave texture. It's really smooth, really silky, very full. I love that. Very, very full. So that is a win. Construction looks good, sturdy, very nice. 3 combs in total on the inside, adjustable straps. You know the whole works. Yeah, definitely going to be doing a center part. Excuse that birdie.
So
in the
guys,
back.
I went ahead and slipped
Yeah.
on
Yeah,
this
so let's go ahead
wig.
and get started.
So I'm always saying this, and I feel like I can't tell you guys this enough, but as I said, I don't know if I told you guys already, but yes, I'm actually going to be going out. So I felt like if you're gonna be going out and you kind of like a little bit pressed for time, I feel like a closure wig is perfect. And as you can see, I'm just using my Got To Be spray today for this application. Now, as I mentioned, this is HD lace. This lace was amazing. It melted right into the skin like a dream. Melted. So that's awesome. I love that. And as opposed to me just doing one spray right across, I did it in 2 sections because it was just easier for me to do, you know. My hand is not that big where it could hold on both sides, so I had to do it in like halves. So yeah, once I was done with applying this and just, you know, sticking it, I applied my elastic band around that to further melt the lace down. And this was so quick, you know, as opposed to a full-on lace front where you'd have to do the sides and then, you know, go in the middle, and it takes so much time. It's just the middle and then you're done. So it's like, it makes life so easy.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like
So once I'm done with all of that, I pretty much just start focusing on laying the mid portion, because after all, you know, this is a closure. You want to ensure you try your best to lay it as flat as possible, especially because it's not like a lace front where it can flat right across, you know. So I took my time with my hot comb and just, you know, press that down as flat as I possibly could get it. As you can see, the hairline here, it doesn't even look like I needed any swoops, right? But I was just in the mood to do some swoops today, so I did that a little bit after this, like right after I was done with laying the middle portion, to make the the parting a little bit more precise, I got some concealer on my rat tail comb to kind of straighten it and make everything look a little bit better.
To my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show.
So this is where I went in and I started on my swoops.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
I laid the wig really nicely, did my little swoops and stuff. Now I'm going to curl it up, but I'm going to be going out in a few, so I'm going to be using some holding spray to get my curls to last, because I really don't want it to fall, you know. So that's what I'm gonna jump into. So soft and nice. But yeah. So for the curling portion, really is not much to it. It's just curling regularly with my curling iron. So I must say that yes, I'm doing this voiceover after actually going out, and the curls, they did not last as long as I'd like them to, even after using the holding spray. So I think I definitely would just have to go back to, you know, getting a regular holding spray, as opposed, I don't know, the Got2b was a little bit too crunchy, so I'm not gonna use it again for my curls. And when I was using it, I could feel it in my spirit, but I just went with the flow because it was the only holding spray I had at the time. So yeah, just to give you guys a heads up, so you know that, yeah, just go with a different option for your holding spray. But yeah, it did not last. So just to update you guys on that.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
So I'm all done with curling up the hair, and I got dressed and stuff. So I'm just gonna unravel. I said I use my Got2b. It is a holding spray after all. It's not my first choice for like curls, but you know, I'm all out of the regular. So hopefully this works out good. Hopefully. So yeah, right now that's pretty much it. It was super easy, super quick install. That's always very important. Lace, the lace is a 10. It melted down so perfect, so I give that a 10. Shedding very minimal, okay, so please bear that in mind. Everything looks pretty good with it though. It looks pretty good, so I can't complain. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Also, you know, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Also check out my vlog channel, and yeah, shout out to Ali Grace Hair once more for this amazing wig. And that's it for today's wig look, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, just one big open.